Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Dr. Tayyab. Today I am going to tell you and show you that how to make your own personal uterine manipulator. As we all know that the young surgeons and consultants, including me, they can't afford the costly uterine manipulators available in the market. This is the uterine manipulator that I have made myself with the help of some person in the market. It is very handy and have the same functionality as the other uterine manipulators available in the market. So before going towards this DIY project video, I am going to give a brief overview of already available uterine manipulators in the market. So let's have a overview. This is simplest and cheapest forceps manipulator available in the market. It should be used for simple procedures like ovarian cystectomy or any surgery over the fallopian tube, but it should not be used for total laparoscopic hysterectomy. It is simple to use. When you close it, the jaws will open and the vice versa. This is another manipulator with a full circle cup and it costs around 50,000 rupees in our market. This manipulator has tenaculum at its end to hold the cervix, and it is obviously more costly than the previous one. There are also half circle colpotomizers available to accommodate the asymmetrical and bulky cervix. And then there are also articulating type manipulators available. All these manipulators are very costly, so I am going to show you how to make your own uterine manipulator with all the similar functionality. First of all, you need plastic pipe and cap, जिसको बंद plug भी कहते हैं. These are available in different sizes and colors. After that, get its outer surface smoothened with the grinder and the sandpaper. And you can get different sizes with the blade cutter and also make the margins smooth to prevent the tissue injury. Then make a hole at its apex with the drill machine. And here we have made different sizes of cups, which are our colpotomizers. And these are the intrauterine segments which go inside the uterus. I have prepared them with the steel screws of different sizes and given them the bend at one end to take the contour of the uterus. Now the central shaft is being prepared. At one end it will fit into the handle, and on the other end it will accommodate the colpotomizer and the intrauterine segment. Here our shaft is finally prepared. These are the steel pipes which will be welded together to get finally this shape, and this is the handle to manipulate the uterus. This shaft is made in such a way that it can accommodate any size of cup, like this is the bigger cup and it is accommodating it well. Now I am going to attach the intrauterine segment at the one end of the shaft, and on the other end I will tighten the handle and further tight it so that the bend end of the intrauterine segment is facing anteriorly. Now suppose this is the uterus and these are the broad ligaments including ground ligament and fallopian tubes, and this is the cervix. Now suppose this is the uterine sound. It will be inserted in the uterine canal to take the length, and suppose this is the length of the uterine canal. Now we will choose the intrauterine segment accordingly, and also the colpotomizer. And after insertion, the ideal sized colpotomizer should be covering the cervix all around. These are the right and left movements of the manipulator. Let's have a closer look. If you want to do the dissection on left side, ask your assistant to bring the manipulator on left side. And if on the right side, ask him to bring it on the right side. It will automatically take the uterus to the opposite side. Two other movements are antivarian and retrovarian. This is antivarian, this is retrovarian.